Hi there, I am in the process of getting ready to make some comfrey root salve, and it's almost melted. The beeswax is almost melted in my homemade double boiler. So I'm waiting for that to get completely melted. We're down to a little piece, a couple little pieces here. So it's just about ready to add my ingredients. Comfrey root should be really good, and it's great for all kinds of medical, Ayurvedic type treatments they've used for centuries on lots of ailments, especially, and it's only external ailments I'm talking about, especially like in your joints, aches and pains. You can rub it on your stomach if you have a problem. You can rub it even on your chest if you have congestion, arthritis, and you know, like a cut that is not open but red, any irritated area that's external. So let's see what happens here. What I'm going to do now, turn down the heat real low, and I'm going to add a little frankincense here as a good scent to it. Not much, just a couple drops, because a little can go a long way with essential oil. You can use anything like lavender, use sandalwood, whatever you like. And I'm also going to add a few drops of course, the comfrey root last. I put it in a little bottle like this, 2 ounces. And this is my sweet almond oil I'm going to add in there. I'm going to pour a cap full in, because I don't want it to be rock solid like a candle. So this is my first time trying this, and if it works out, I am going to sell some of these online, and I did order a whole lot of little containers. So we'll get there, and I'll put them on eBay probably. Okay, the last thing, of course, is the comfrey, and I'm going to fill up a dropper full of it, like that. Pour it in there. Another one. And for good measure, 3. I used 3 little squares of beeswax. So now I'm going to take a wooden spoon and I'm going to mix it up. There's still a chunk in there that's not completely melted. So I'm going to do this, blend it up with a spoon until it gets dissolved all together before it goes in the container like this. It's normal to see some separation because comfrey root has residual fiber in it, and it is a root, so that's okay. That's alright. So don't expect it to be homogeneous completely like you would something that is done production-wise, like in cosmetics. You have to be really careful. Before I pour it in, pour the liquid in the container. It's almost all poured in. I'm just going to get a few drops in there from the bottom of the container, from the bottom of the paper. That's my container, I guess. But my new container is going to have the salve in it. Kind of looks kind of amber colored at this point. And it should set up. It'll cool down and set up so it looks right. I'm gonna mix it a little bit while it's here. But that's pretty much what I'm doing. Thank you for watching. Nicole Lee, Health, Beauty, and More.